What is the CRBR in Poland? Presentation dedicated to investors, shareholders. Good afternoon. I'm Bartosz, and I work for Progress Holding. For 20 years, Progress Holding has been helping investors and entrepreneurs from more than 30 countries confidently enter the Polish market and successfully grow their businesses. Our team supports clients at every stage, from company registration to daily accounting and administrative services. In today's video, we'll explain how to report data to CRBR in Poland. The Central Register of Beneficial Owners, CRBR, is a nationwide, free, public registry of persons who are the ultimate beneficial owners or who exercise decisive control over entities entered in the National Court Register. The CRBR was established pursuant to Act on Counteracting Money Laundering and Terrorist Financing, effective as of the 1st of March 2018. Who must be reported to the CRBR? Beneficial owners are persons who, directly or indirectly, hold more than 25% of the total number of shares or equity interests, have more than 25% of the total voting rights in the company's bodies, otherwise exercise decisive control over the company. Shareholders with 25% or less of the shares and who do not meet other control criteria are not, by default, considered beneficial owners and need not be reported. When must information be submitted to the CRBR? Newly incorporated entities, KRS entry after 13th October 2019, within 7 days of the KRS registration date. Entities registered after October 31st, 2022. The deadline was extended to 14 days from registration. Changes in data like changes in shareholder structure, shareholding percentages, or beneficiary details, likewise within 7 or 14 days from the effective date of the change. Under what threshold is a shareholder not reportable? A shareholder holding exactly or less than 25% of shares and not meeting other control criteria does not need to be reported. Banks and the CRBR. Under AML regulations, banks and other obliged institutions must verify a company's CRBR entry before opening a corporate bank account. Failure to correctly report beneficial owners may lead to refusal to open the account and exposes the bank to regulatory risk. Before you go to the bank, check whether you have your CRBR entry updated. If you do not update CRBR entry, bank may close your account. Financial penalties for non-reporting. Failure to submit the required report on time or providing false information may result in an administrative fine of up to 1 million Polish zloty. When to report changes after KRS updates. The deadline for submitting new or corrected information is 7 days for KRS entries from 13 October 2019 or 14 days for entries after 10 November 2022 from the date of the KRS entry or amendment. Who signs the CRBR submission? Submissions to the CRBR are made electronically and must be signed with an electronic signature. Reporting is done through Ministry of Finance website. They must be signed by the persons authorized to represent the entity under its founding documents, for example, members of the management board or authorized proxies. Thank you for your attention. We do hope that information about CRBR in Poland was valuable. If you have any questions, Progress Holding will be happy to answer them on email. Talk to you soon.